Welcome back to another 9Honey Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Jane DeGraff, and today I'm going to show you how to take one pork roast and use it 3 different ways to make it go further, because at the moment we're not going to the shops and we're all trying to make things last as long as possible. So I'm going to start by explaining the pork that I have here. This is a pork roast that I simply cooked in my slow cooker, and all I did was put the pork roast in with 1 can of ginger beer. Sounds strange, but I promise you it's delicious. All the sugars and the spices from the ginger beer go right into the pork. I cooked it for 6 hours on high, and now it's basically come out in this gorgeous, absolutely shreddable result here. And all I've done is broken it all up so that I can use it in a bunch of different dishes. Now I could keep going at this, but I think it's probably time to just get into what we're doing. Look at that. Oh, smells so good. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is over here, I have the basis of a red pasta sauce. So that's been cooking away, and all I'm gonna do is take some of my shredded pork, look at that, all falling apart, and I'm gonna pop that into my beautiful pasta sauce. The joy of this is you don't need very much of it because it's gonna get stirred through pasta, which will bulk it out, so you don't need to worry too much about how much pork you're using in this dish. And then all we do is stir that through like this. Oh, look at that. Now you could simmer that down if you wanted to, but frankly, it's absolutely beautiful once you've just mixed it through the sauce. And here I've got whatever pasta you happen to have, whatever pasta you have at home, what you've got access to, that's all you need. We'll do a nice big spoonful like this. Look at this, straight on top of our pasta. Absolutely delicious. Oh yeah, and I'm just going to finish that with a little bit of parmesan and some basil leaves. There we go. And that is a beautiful pork ragout that we've made with our slow cooked pork, but you didn't need very much of it. So what are we going to do with the rest of it? All right, let's have a look. Make some space for the action. All right, the next thing we're going to do is some tacos. Now, I don't know about you, but my kids absolutely love tacos. They can get really hands-on with everything. What I've got here is some of the juice from the slow cooker. That's just the pork juice and the leftover ginger beer that's all simmered down. It's all sticky and sweet. And what I'm gonna do is pour some of that onto my delicious pork, mix it through just to get those beautiful gingery flavors all in there. All right, and then we're just gonna pop that into our taco shells. And again, you pad this out with whatever you've got. We use black beans, but we've also used rice in our family before. Anything you like, just to make it go that little bit further, because it just carries the sauce and the pork beautifully. On top of that, we're just gonna add a little bit of avocado. Oh, how good is this? My kids are gonna be so thrilled when I serve this up for dinner. All right, like that. Then a little bit of sour cream or yogurt, whatever you've got. We use yogurt because I quite like the tanginess of that. There we go. And of course, don't forget Old Mate hot sauce. Look, I've hardly got any left because we use it all the time. But then a little bit of that, and you have, yeah, some incredible tacos for dinner made with our pork. I'm running out of space for all these delicious things. All right, now, last but not least, I'm going to take some of the pork and I'm going to turn it into like a version of Sanchoy bao, but not quite the same. I'm going to pop that in there, like that, some of those broken up bits on top. Now here, I've made a sauce of some hoisin and some soy sauce and a little bit of honey, and I'm going to pour that on just to give the pork a slightly different flavor, and it works beautifully. And then you toss that all through like that. Look at that. Oh, sticky and delicious and fantastic. Just pop it there. And then here I've got some Chinese cabbage cups filled with some rice, and all I'm going to do is pop some of the pork on top. Oh my goodness, that smells incredible. Sticky, sweet, amazing. Pop that down like that. And then on top of that, I'm just going to add some chives. Yum. And a little bit of chili. And that's it. That is pork 3 ways, and that will make 3 complete meals. Ah, too many things to share here. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. That is 1 pork roast that we have turned into pasta, tacos, and our lovely cabbage cups. That's all you need. That's how to make pork go a little bit further while we're all cooking in more. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me for 9Honey's Quarantine Kitchen, and I'm gonna try this one. So good. I'll see you next time.